Want to make product animations like this? I'll show you how to do it easily in Canva. Let's dive in. All right, first, open a video size and upload your first product image. If your image has a background, remove it using Canva's background remover tool. This is a paid feature, but don't worry. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can use a free site like remove.bg. Just upload your product image there, download it, and then bring it back into Canva. Once the image is ready, crop out any extra space, increase its size, and place it at the bottom center of your page. Next, let's create a background. I'll use a gradient color, and then change one of the default colors to something else that matches the product. In the style options, I'll select linear to give it a smooth gradient look. Now that the background is set, let's add a circle. Increase its size, place it in the center, and send it behind the bottle. Adjust it properly, then change the circle color to white. To make the design look more realistic, we'll add a shadow under the product. Go to Elements and search for Shadow. From the graphics, select this one, resize it, and place it right under the bottle. Adjust the transparency so it looks lighter and more natural. After that, add your text. Move it to the top, increase its size, and change it to your product name. Make it more bigger and center it. For the font, I'll select League Spartan. Make the text all caps and set the size to around 247 pixels. Once that's done, I'll send it behind the circle. Change the color to white, lower the transparency, make it slightly bigger, and move it down a bit for balance. Now, select the product and its shadow. Group them together and adjust their placement. Next, search for a flower. Open Photos and choose one that represents your product's fragrance or vibe. I'll adjust the color of the flower to match the background, resize it, and hide it behind the product. Once that's ready, duplicate the page. On this new page, delete the heading and make everything bigger for a close-up effect. Go to the layers, find the flower layer, enlarge it, and adjust the product and circle accordingly. This creates a zoom-in effect for the animation. To animate it, click the transition icon between the two pages and select Match and Move. This creates a smooth, animated effect between the two slides. And just like that, the first product animation is ready. For the second product, simply repeat the process. Duplicate the first page, move it after your second slide, and replace the old product with the new one. Update the product name, change the background color, and add a new flower element. Resize or rotate it, then place it behind the product for a similar look. Then, like before, duplicate the page. Delete the text. Make everything bigger. And enlarge the flower to create that zoomed-in animation. Now your second product animation is done. Once you've added all of your products, apply a flow transition between each pair of pages. I'll set the direction to up and make the speed a little faster. Finally, select the page, set the duration to 1.5 seconds, and apply it across all pages. At this point, the product animation video is complete. You can also add background music or sound effects to make it even more engaging. So, this is the final result. I hope this tutorial helps you create amazing animations for your products. If you found it useful, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.